Namaskar दोस्तों. Today we will discuss the another important classification which is produced by the Takhtajan. Takhtajan was born in 1910 at Genelo. He served as the head of the department at Botanical Institute in Leningrad at old USSR. His classification was basically produced in 1942, and in 1959 his classification has been published in German book Die Evolution der Angiospermum. In 1966 his classification has published in the English Flowering Plants Origin and Dispersal. In 1980 his classification has been published into the Botanical Review. So once his classification has been published in Botanical Review, his classification got the prominence. His classification is based on Bessey and also the Helier one, which is a traditional system of classification. And Takhtajan also considered the morphological features. Takhtajan also considered the anatomical characters. Takhtajan also considered the embryological feature, cytological feature, palynological feature, paleobotanical feature, chemical features, as well as the ultrastructure. So what he has produced in 1980 is he recognized the Magnoliophyta as angiosperm, and he divided them into the two classes. These are known as the Magnoliopsida, which is known as the dicot, with having the 7 subclasses, and the second one class is called the Liliopsida, and Liliopsida is divided into the 3 subclasses, and Liliopsida is called the monocot. So again I'm repeating the point at the Magnoliophyta, which is known as the angiosperm, as suggested by the Takhtajan. He divided them into the 2 class, which is known as the Magnoliopsida as well as the Liliopsida. Magnoliopsida means dicot, which is further consisting of 7 classes, and Liliopsida is consisting of 3 subclasses, which is considered as the monocot one. So if I'm just going into the outlines, the Magnoliopsida. The Magnoliopsida is consisting of 7 subclasses, 20 superorders are there, and 71 orders are there. So, and Liliopsida, which is a monocot one, 3 subclasses, 8 superorders, and 21 orders are there. So in total 92 orders and 410 families has been recognized by the Takhtajan system of classification. He also considered that the Magnoliopsida is a most primitive basal group. The Magnoliopsida, under the Magnoliopsida, Magnolidae is there. Magnolidae is a most primitive basal group, and Asteridae is a advanced one. And while in Liliopsida, the Alismatidae, Liliidae, Araceae are primitive one, and they are derived from Magnolidae, and Winteraceae as primitive, and Poaceae as the advanced family. So Takhtajan classification is based on Helier classification as well as the Bessey classification. So he also recognized, or he also considered the 16 principles, and these 16 principles are: woody plants are primitive to herbaceous one, deciduous plants are evolved from evergreen plants, the xylem fibers evolved from tracheids to the liliform fibers through fiber tracheids. Trilacunar and pentalacunar nodes are primitive to the unilacunar nodes. The alternate leaf phyllotaxy is more primitive than other types. Parallel venation is advanced one. Anemocytic stomata without subsidiary cells are advanced. The stomata with having the subsidiary cells are primitive one. The chymose inflorescence is primitive to the racemose, and polymerous flower is primitive to the oligomerous flower. And in the 10th principle, Takhtajan considered that the smooth pollen, unsculptured, is primitive to the sculptured one. Apocarpi gynoecium is primitive to Syncarpus. Bitegmic ovules are more primitive than the unitegmic ovule. The anatropous ovule is primitive to other. 8 nucleated polygonum type embryo sac, female gametophyta is a most primitive. Mesogamic and chelazogamic conditions have evolved from porogamic one. Many seeded follicle fruits are more primitive. So there are, as we know that once we are started the classification from Hutchinson, so we are moving towards the phylogenetic system. So there are certain merits has also been recognized with the classification that has been produced by Takhtajan. The Magnoliopsida is primitive to the Liliopsida. the small size family that has been closely related groups. That is a very important feature of his classification. Dicot start with magnoliales and monocot start with elismatales. So his classification is also a very important one in the field of plant taxonomy, particularly with the angiosperms. So the Magnoliophyta, which is known as the angiosperm are divided into two classes. The first subclass is called the Magnoliopsida, which is further divided into the 7 subclasses, and these subclasses are divided into the superorders, and superorders are further divided into the orders. The first subclass is called the Magnolidae. Magnolidae is consisting of 3 superorders. The first superorder is Maglolineae, which is consisting of 5 orders. Raphlecinae, which is consisting of 1 order. The superorder number 3, which is called the Nymphanae. Nymphanae is consisting of 2 order. The second subclass of Magnoliopsida is Ranunculidae. Ranunculidae is consisting of 1 superorder, which is called the Ranunculinae. Ranunculinae is consisting of 3 orders. The subclass 3 under the dicot is Hamemelididae, and it is consisting of 2 superorders are there. The superorder 1 is Hamemelidae, 12 orders, and second superorder is the Zuglandidae. Zuglandidae is consisting of 2 orders. The subclass 4 is called the Caryophyllinae. Caryophyllinae is again consisting of 2 superorders is there. The first superorder under the Caryophyllinae is Caryophyllinae, and this is consisting of 2 orders, and superorder second superorder is Plumbaginae. Plumbaginae is consisting of 1 order. The subclass 5 is Dilenidae. Dilenidae is consisting of 3 superorders are there. Dilenidae, Ericanae, as well as the Malvinae. So this Dilenidae is consisting of 8 orders. Ericanae is consisting of 3 orders. Malvinae is consisting of 2 orders. The subclass 6 is called the Rossidae, and Rossidae is further divided into the 6 superorders is there, and the first one is called the Rossinae, 6 orders. Mitraenae 1 order. Rutenae 4 order. Alerinae 3 order. Silastrinae superorder consisting of 5 orders, and the Protinae is consisting of 1 order has been grouped into this category. So the 7th subclass of under the Dicotyledons or the Magnoliopsida is called the Asteridae. Asteridae is again consisting of 3 superorders, and these 3 superorders are Gentianae with 4 orders, Lamianae with 3 orders, Asterinae with 3 orders is there. So in total we can say that this class Magnoliopsida is consisting of 7 subclasses. The second class is called the Liliopsida. Liliopsida means the monocotyledons, and monocotyledons are further divided into the 3 subclasses, and these 3 subclasses are called the Elismatidae, Liliidae, as well as the Aricidae. And these Elismatidae is consisting of 1 superorder is there. This is called the Elismatinae, which is consisting of 2 orders are there. And in the second subclass is called the Liliidae. Liliidae is consisting of 5 superorders are there. Triuridinae 1 order, Lilianae with 5 orders, Juncanae with 2 orders, Comelinidae with 5 orders, and Gingiberinae with 1 order. The subclass 3 is called the Aricidae. Aricidae is consisting of 2 superorders are there, Arachinae as well as the Araneae. Arachinae is consisting of 4 orders, and the Araneae is consisting of 1 orders has been grouped into the Aricidae. So the point of interest is that the Takhtajan has very clear in his classification, but almost 30 years has almost 30 years has taken place to get the prominence which has been produced by the Takhtajan. And he in a concluding remark, He divided the Magnoliophyta, which is known as the Angiosperm, into the two class, which is known as the Magnoliopsida, with dicot with 7 subclasses, and Liliopsida with monocotyledons, which is consisting of 3 subclasses. The Magnoliopsida is consisting of 7 subclasses is there, 20 superorders are there, and 71 orders has been grouped. So in the Liliopsida, the 3 subclasses, 8 superorders are there, and 21 orders are there. So in total 92 orders and 410 families has been recognized by the Takhta Jaan. And so with these one, I just thank you very much.